All right, so the plan tonight is we're gonna be cooking some lobster claws. Supposed to be lobster tails, didn't happen because I didn't read. Just look at the picture. Read next time. Grab the wrong thing. But to get us prepared, we're gonna be making, this is called lobster, not lobster butter, jalapeno butter to go with our lobster tails. So make it a little, a little bit of a kick. Also gonna have some pasta, and I actually got some Alfredo with bacon as my sauce, so I think it's gonna be really good. But to get started, video is just strictly for the butter. So we got one jalapeno. This is Kerrygold Pure Irish Salted Butter, so a stick and a half of that. Also, the recipe calls for a teaspoon of paprika. Don't have paprika, but we're gonna substitute just probably do some original Creole seasoning. That should be good. We're gonna do that, and then maybe a little bit of black pepper. We'll sprinkle in a little bit of that, and that's gonna get seasoned. So right now it says heat up butter, so that's gonna be the first thing we do. Let's get that going. And this is what, medium low? Is that right? Yeah, heat it over medium low. So that's not even heated yet. This gives us a chance. I'm actually just gonna cut this jalapeno in half because the recipe actually calls for a stick and a half of the butter. But I was thinking about maybe doing some lobster rolls another day. So I may just like save half these because I had a big, nice bag. I ordered 2 pounds. So I might just cut it in half and do a lobster roll another day. So that's the plan. All right, as they say, half an hour, half a liter. We're just gonna dice this up while we're waiting. And we'll just dice this some more. All right, that's probably as good a dicing job as I'm gonna do. All right, let's see if this is ready. I think that's ready. All right, so medium low, maybe turns down just a tinch. So let the butter melt. And then after that, it looks like we put it into, this is a glass measuring cup, which I do not have. I'm trying to get myself together cooking, but I don't have a glass measuring cup. We're just gonna pour it in one of these bowls and let it stand for 5 minutes. Okay, so with that being said, we're just gonna cook this down. And then about 5 minutes, we'll put it in there. And so I'll make a part 2 video once I get to that point. So I'll see you in a bit.